Before you begin mounting, make sure you plan out your design. You can do so either by laying your panels out on a flat surface or using the Layout Assistant in the Nanoleaf app. Once your design is complete, you can decide whether you want the wood grain on your panels to line up for a cleaner look or face various directions for a more unique style. You can attach your power supply and the Modular Elements controller to any of the panels in your layout, so you may want to plan out where you're going to put them in advance. Once you're ready to mount, first clean your surface to make sure it's free of any oil or dust. Next, attach a linker to your first panel in the location where you'll be placing your second panel. For each panel, make sure to attach the next linker before mounting. Peel off the backing of the mounting tape and press your panel firmly against the wall, making small circular motions in the center of the panel with your fist for 30 seconds. This will ensure that your panels are strongly adhered. Snap on your second panel, making sure it's properly connected, and then apply the same pressure with your fist, making circular motions. Repeat these steps with each panel until you've completed your design. Make sure to follow these directions carefully to safely dismount your Elements panels. Gently snap the panel off the mounting plate. Place one hand on the plate and with your other hand pull the exposed tab of tape along the wall. Do not pull perpendicular to the wall or at any angle or you'll be risking damage. Pull along the wall until the tape is released and then repeat until all of your panels have been safely dismounted.